Hello, Shorty. All right, so today we're going to be reviewing our Streetfighter V2. So we have 5,000 miles on it already. Actually, almost 5,800. I'm a little behind, but we went to the mountains a couple weeks ago. Got additional miles on it. So just wanted to do a quick review. So let's get to it. So the bike itself has been absolutely fantastic. There's really been I've had no issues with it. Everything holds up exactly as it should. There's zero complaints. The only thing that I really did have to do to it is the outside of just installing accessories, to protect my investment. And there's a different video about it. You'll see a link for it in the description. This bike's been absolutely flawless. I'm really happy with the way it handles, especially after I changed the suspension settings. And yes, this bike does have fully adjustable suspension, both for the front as well as the rear. So I am 205 pounds. I fluctuate between, I would say, 200 and 210. So the stock suspension on this bike was, they're typically set up for riders are about 5'8" and 150 to 180 pounds. So I definitely had to do some preload adjustments and do a few more tweaks. But since then, the bike's been absolutely awesome. As a matter of fact, I took it to the track the other day to have a professional look at the suspension, and it's spot on. So zero complaints. Wear pattern on the tires, it's absolutely spot on. The tires wear perfectly. Actually, if I would have any complaints, it would be the mileage that I'm getting out of the Pirelli tires. So the first set lasted me 3,700 miles, and now the second one that it's on the bike right now, as you can see, I'm getting close to the wear marks. Everything's wearing evenly, so there is no flat spot down the middle. I'm only going to get about 2,500 miles out of it, so riding it a little bit harder than before. So my better half is over here with me. What has your experience been with the Streetfighter?
It's been a good experience. It's a little difficult to ride two up, but
Yeah, don't do it.
Yeah,
Don't ride two up.
No.
It will definitely kill you. The back seat on it is the size of a postage stamp, and it's definitely not made for it. So if you want to ride two up, I have a recommendation for you. It's actually the bike that I have in the garage behind me. That's a Diablo V4. Outside of that, do you have anything else to say? Do you like the bike?
I love the bike.
Love the look of it. It does look good. I guess that's kind of wraps up the 5,000 mile review. Like I said, no mechanical issues, no complaints as far as performance, no specialty maintenance, obviously outside of just the oil change. I did have to braid the brakes in the rear. I changed the rear gave me a little bit of trouble, but that's kind of typical to the Ducatis. The way the brakes are configured. Changed the brake fluid, oil changes, everything's just spot on, nothing out of the ordinary. So great bike, very reliable, highly recommended. So pick one up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for new videos.